Hello, I'm Saronster and I'm here in Huntington Beach, California at Plum Motorbikes, standing next to the GT5 electric chopper. Just to go over the specs real quick, this bike goes just over 25 miles an hour. It's got a 500 watt rear hub motor, a 48 volt battery with 14 amp hours, and you can get anywhere between 20 and 40 miles of range with just the throttle. If you decided to use the pedal assist, you'll probably get more than that. And it's got this clean and comfortable built-well slimline seat. This is a real motorcycle seat, really high quality. I love this piece. It's got these really nice fat street tires on it, which feel super comfortable carving on the street, but it also holds up really well on sand at the beach. You've got 3 levels of pedal assist, a half twist throttle, and the bike runs super quiet, but it's still got a little bit of motor noise to make you know you're not just a normal pedal bike. All the frames are built right here in California, and almost all the components are American sourced. Okay, with the plums. We out. Dude, the pedal assist 3 is crazy.
Tranquilo.
Let's get it. gotta take a second. Alright guys, thanks for watching this little test ride and review video. Go check out Plum Motorbikes. These things are absolutely a blast to ride. They're fun to cruise, they're fun to wheelie. It's just fun. So, thanks for watching guys.
Yeah, I'm on